Welcome to Kalam Learning Lab YouTube channel.
If you are new to our channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can check out our previous video as well as our upcoming videos in our graphic design playlist. In this video, we will be very quickly looking into the important elements that act as the root of a graphic design. The very first one is the line. Lines can be either straight, broken, or wavy. What you see as a design is a combination of lines combined together. The next is color. Color acts as a background of a design or is used in filling the plain elements and giving it an attractive look. Next is shape. Shape is the most important element of a design, as your information, when added with a shape, makes it more noticeable. Also, your end result of the design is nothing but a combination of shapes combined together. It is the vital part of the design that makes a plain information looks more creative, and it is commonly used across everywhere, including menu cards, brochures, posters, pamphlets, and so on. The next is texture. Now, texture can be of a three-dimensional form or it can be an implied texture. Implied texture is nothing but when a texture of an object or a subject is made to look like something it is not in real life, then we call it as an implied texture, like what you are seeing right now. This is actually a texture, but in real life it doesn't look like the same. Using appropriate textures in your work makes it look more interesting. Also, attractive textures lightens up your subject. Now, the simple difference between a color and a texture is that when we talk about a color, we look into all the aspects of a design, including the background of the design, whereas texture is all about enhancing your main subject of the design. Typography. As I said earlier, a message is more creative when you deliver it with appropriate 3D structures and a creative typography. Then comes the scale. Scale is nothing but it is the size or the position of the element or the subject that you're going to use in your design. Now, an element can be large, small, or even transparent based upon the circumstances of your design. All these are the important elements that are a root of a design, and when all these elements are combined together, you will be able to create n number of designs.
If you liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.